Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there, fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing. Alright guys, you probably guessed it by now. These are going to be some of the upcoming videos on my utility trailer that I just purchased for my ATVs and that dirt bike you see in the back there. Number one purchase for, actually there's two purchases you guys should do for this trailer. Number one is spare tire. That spare tire does not come with the trailer. They do have a trailer, spare tire mount, but no spare tire. So that's about $100 over at Lowe's. So second most valuable upgrade would be a new jack stand, because what comes with the trailer is just basically a I guess you call it lean-to. You know, you take it off the hitch and you drop it to the ground. So that would be the two that you'd want. All these other things are extras that I want to put on. So let's go ahead and look at what I have down below. That's just a Home Depot rigid toolbox. I've had it around for years. I'm going to go ahead and use that for the toolbox on the trailer. We'll just go ahead and figure out how to mount that up, probably bracket it to the front tongue. So there'll be a video on that coming up soon. Lighting. It comes with good lights, has LED lights. I have had these laying around for a while. I was going to use them on my Sanrail years ago and just never got around to installing it before I sold it, and I wanted to keep the lights, so I made some brackets for it. We'll mount those to the sides and go to these oval lights. I'm also going to be putting a third brake light in the center. With trailers, you can never be too safety conscious as far as lighting goes and reflector tape goes. That's also the next thing you see in the back there. Some reflector tape for the sides. Now this trailer does come with some good mounting points, but I'm going to go ahead and weld on a handful more of these guys. Probably, I don't know, we'll see how the layout is. Probably about a foot all the way around. But we'll see how it looks, if I want to go more or less. I am going to put a trailer hitch in the rear, 3 of them, and that's because I have another carrier that I can use, and what I'd like to do is be able to have it tie into the middle one, and then the outer two would be kind of like outriggers to help support it so it doesn't shake all over the place. So see in the back there I have some stands, or jacks, I guess you'd call them. Basically it's so when I go to park it in the backyard, not all the weight's going to be on the wheels. I am more than likely going to keep it loaded. So basically I could lower the jack stand down, put these all the way extended out, and then raise the jack stand back up, and all wheels would be off the ground and would be supported by those and the jack stand. So just one of the things I wanted to do to this guy. Also makes it a little more stable if you wanted to use those when you're loading it. I'm going to be welding on some brackets for the chain hooks. It came with some pretty cheesy chain hooks on it, so I just wanted to weld that up to the main tube coming down to the ball. Also, I want to possibly put some lighting on it. I'll probably wire these into just the running lights. So when my headlights are on in the vehicle, I'll have another switch that I can switch these on and off, just so I can use some lights to load. So I'll just wire it into the running lights of the trailer. And then also, I saw another YouTuber do this. They did it a little bit different way, but I like the idea, and I think I'm going to incorporate it on it. Basically, you take the mount for the spare tire, take it off completely, and you can mount the spare tire up underneath. By using this and a couple pulleys, you can raise the tire up to the bottom of the trailer. So it's out of the way, out of the sun. So there's a couple of upgrades. Right off the bat, I'm going to be welding on some framing to the floor of it, just to strengthen it a little bit. So stay tuned, and we will have some videos on my new trailer and the upgrades.